CJ Dropshipping is a global dropshipping platform that connects online sellers to a massive range of products with direct integrations for Shopify, eBay, WooCommerce, Etsy, and so many more platforms. The biggest draw is its huge product catalog, everything from electronics to apparel. Plus, the option is source custom products on request. CJ also offers a private labeling, custom packaging, and professional product photography, giving sellers the tools to build a more branded experience. On the logistics side, CJ has warehouses in multiple countries, including the US, Europe, and China. This means you can choose faster local dropshipping for certain products or go with more affordable international options. Pricing is based on product cost plus shipping, with no subscription fees to use the platform. While many sellers praise its flexibility and variety, some note that the dashboard can feel overwhelming at first, and shipping times still vary depending on where stock is stored. Customer service reviews are mixed as well. Some find it responsive, while others report a little bit of a delay. Overall, CJ Dropshipping is the best option for sellers who want a large product selection, customization, and the ability to scale, as long as they're willing to navigate a more complex interface to get those benefits. Do you want to see it compared to anything? Let me know in the comments, like this if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from us, and I'll catch you in the next one.